Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are continuing our case study for the Faceless Digital Marketing that we are going to be promoting on Instagram. And actually I just want to give you an update of how far I've come in my Beacon store. As you can see, I've already made a logo, and this is the link that I would put in my bio part of my Instagram account, and this is how it's showing up. And you can actually change this. I don't like this. I would rather my product show first. So what I'm going to do is go back to my Beacon account, and what I'm going to do is click on the store, and I'm going to take the store and I'm going to move it up right here under the header, because the header you can't remove, because I believe that the header is where your logo is. So I want my store to show first. So I'm going to go back over here and see if I can do a refresh, or let's just see if we can let's just do a copy, and let's just refresh it. Okay, now as you can see, these are all my products I have listed so far that I've set up. And if you've missed how to set up your products in your Beacon account, please go back to case study video number 4, and it's going to show you all the steps. So right here, it's going to have my Instagram link, so it's going to bring me directly to my Instagram account. And I am going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to edit our profile in Instagram, okay? Okay guys, first I want to start with an apology. I did say that I was going to come and show you how to set up your bio section in Instagram, and I completely forgot. It slipped my mind, so I do apologize for that. I will tell you what I did do was that I decided to look at others Instagram digital marketers and look at maybe 3 to 5 and just gather inspiration and see how they set up theirs, and just took inspirational tips from theirs and then tweaked it to fit the content that I wanted to pursue. Okay, just to let you know, I only started posting 5 days ago, so I'm only doing 1 post a day. But after doing a little more research, I realized that I'm gonna probably post at least 1 post in a reel a day. And yesterday I just started doing Instagram stories. I only posted 3, but I'm also gonna up that to at least 5 a day to just get a little bit more engagement. And I'm not really mad at the engagement I'm getting now. I find that I get a lot of engagement as long as after I post, I try to engage a lot more on the platform with others, do likes, leave comments, you know, follow a few people that inspire me. My first post, I got a few looky-loos, you know, but just like with anything, it's gonna take time, and that's okay, because businesses and success is not built overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a scam. This requires hard work. It requires due diligence. It requires consistency. And it also just requires you to be patient. I see others that make a tremendous amount of money early on in their posting, but you have to understand you don't know exactly what they're doing, you know? So only thing I can say is compare your journey to yourself. Keep learning, keep improving, keep doing whatever it's going to take to get you to the point where you want to be. And like I said, this is what I have learned so far. I am going to give you one more update on the case study. Maybe next week. I'm not sure if I want to do that or just continue working the business and then give you a 30-day update, which I think would probably be best, because then I can have a lot more detail and a lot more information to share with you. So in between those times, what I'll do is give you some more information on what the programs offer, what you can learn from them, so that you too can start your journey to early retirement, so that you can keep going and just become successful. You know, just like with anything else, I do believe that you can make a substantial living doing digital marketing and having digital products. Just find the digital products that you want to do. Find the type of business model that's going to fit what inspires you, okay? So again, thank you so much for coming back and stopping by. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Eliboto Rule. Hello guys, I just want to drop in and give you a quick update. I know you've been hearing the buzz about the Faceless Digital Marketing, and of course I have a Faceless Studios at the Beacon store. Well, I know you've heard of the UBC. Now the UBC course is $4.99. For those of you boss babes who don't have that kind of bread to spend immediately, I have a suggestion for you. Why not start with either the Real's Guide to Faceless Marketing or the Faceless Marketing with Instagram? Either one of these will get you started with your social media accounts. And if you need any more information, please go back to my previous videos and my case studies to get you started with setting up your stores. Okay, so take time out. If you're looking to retire early, check out either one of these guides or check out both. I'll see you next time.